just appeared for your 12 board exams and not really sure how to start with your entrance test prep, where to start with your entrance test prep, IMS has got you covered. For all such students who are right now in the confusion zone, we would be launching our batches on the 28th of March 2024. Okay, and why you should be joining this? Because we are making sure that all your concept is cleared with 60 sessions which would be done with you. At the same time, this particular classes will make sure that you are covered for 21 plus entrance tests like the IPMAT Indore, IPMAT Rohtak, GIPMAT, embark, SET, Cross University entrance test. The list is long. With this, you would be getting 8,000 plus questions which you would be able to solve with their video solutions. And to make sure that whatever you have learned, it's put to test, you would be getting more than 100 plus mock test, which IMS call as a sim test. Over and above that, to get that personal touch and to make sure all your questions are answered, you would also be getting 2 one-on-one mentoring session, which we call as My Plan. And for all this, what you'll have to do is you will have to enroll for the batch which is starting on the 28th of March. For any further inquiry, you can always walk into an IMS center. They'll be more than happy to help you. And in case if you have questions, you can always DM us on YouTube or on Instagram. We will make sure that we are there to help you. So do not forget, make sure you enroll, and we'll see you in the classroom.